Good morning, one and all. Today is 13th October 2021, and we'll be taking different types of graph. The last topic of the different type of graph is isomorphic graph. Now let's talk about the isomorphic graph. Isomorphic graph क्या होता है? An isomorphism of a graph G and H is a bijunction between the vertices sets of G and H. Let's consider there are two graph G and H. दो ग्राफ है G और H, और ये दो ग्राफ आपस में isomorphic कहलाएंगे when the condition satisfied. The condition is that it should be bijection. What is bijection? That we will see. So the two graphs G and H are called as isomorphic if they have a bijection type of property. So let's see that there is a vertices in a graph G. How do we define a graph? A graph can be defined as a set of vertices and set of edges. So V set of vertices, total number of vertices in graph G should map to the total number of vertices in a graph H, where we call G and H as isomorphic graphs. मतलब दो ग्राफ जैसे हम आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल प्रूव करते थे कि टू ट्रायंगल्स आर आइसोमॉर्फिक रहता था वर्ड. टू ट्रायंगल्स आर आइसोमॉर्फिक और टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर. दो को इक्वालिटी कंपेयर करते हैं. इसी टाइप से दो ग्राफ्स को हम आइसोमॉर्फिज्म हम बता रहे हैं दो ग्राफ का. सो आइसोमॉर्फिज्म ऑफ द टू ग्राफ can begin with the total number of the vertices. तो G के अंदर कितने vertices हैं, H के अंदर कितने vertices हैं, पहले हमको ये काउंट करना है. So the total number of the vertex in the first graph and the total number of the vertex in the second graph should match. Okay. Then the mapping of one vertex with the second vertex should match. Okay. So such that any two vertices U and V of G are adjacent in G if and only if F of U and F of V are adjacent in H. मतलब इस ग्राफ में एक वर्टेक्स हमने चूज किया जो इसका आइसोमॉर्फिक है, वो वर्टेक्स का के साथ में जो एडजेसेंट वर्टाइसेस है, तो वैसे ही वर्टाइसेस एडजेसेंट सेकंड वर्टेक्स में भी, सेकंड ग्राफ के भी वर्टेक्स के साथ में होना चाहिए. एडजेसेंट वर्टेक्स मतलब उसके साथ में जो वर्टेक्स है उसके नियर बाय वर्टेक्स है. Okay, now this kind of bijunction is described as edge preserving bijunction. Now why this bijunction word is used? So that the edges in the first graph of the vertex is same as the number of the edges in the second graph. मतलब पहले total number of the vertexes same है, then total number of the edges same है, और एक vertex के साथ में जितनी edges associated है वो जो vertex यहाँ पर isomorphic है उसके साथ में उतने number of the edges रहेंगे, adjacent रहेंगे. So edge preserving bijunction. Now let's see with example. If the two graphs given below are really the same graph, one is drawn so that no edge intersect. Okay, now we call these two graphs as isomorphic. Now why we call these two graphs as isomorphic? Okay. Now what we do, we write the graph in a set form. So this is my first graph called as G with the vertices V and the edges E. So this is a graph G, V comma E. This is a graph called as H with the vertices small e and small v comma small e. So let's list out the total number. Let's list out the vertices in the set form. तो ये जो पहला वाला ग्राफ है उसमें vertices कौन कौन से A B C D. So we'll write A B C D. So total number of the vertex in the vertices in the first graph G is 4. The edges are listed out here. A to B is one edge, A to B, A to C and A to D, then B to C, B to D, then D to C and C to B. Okay. See यहाँ पे A to B एक बार इंक्लूड कर लिया तो B to A नहीं इंक्लूड करना है. A to D तो D to A दोबारा नहीं लिखना है क्योंकि अनडायरेक्टेड ग्राफ है. A to C लिखा, B to D लिखा, B to C लिखा and D to C लिखा. So these are listed out only once. या तो A से B लिखेंगे या B से A लिखेंगे, दोनों में से कुछ भी चलेगा because this is undirected graph, so we'll list out it only once. Total number of edges in this graph, as you see, the total number of edges are 6 and 6 are listed out in the set form also. So total number of the edges we have written as 6. In the second case where the graph is called as capital H V comma E, where V is the set of vertices 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and the total number of vertices count will be 4. The edges are being listed out 1 to 2. Okay. 1 to 3 and 1 to 4, 1 to 2, 1 to 3 and 1 to 4. Similarly 2 to 4 and 2 to 3, okay, and 4 to 3. So total number of the edges in the second graph 6. So we say that the vertices in the first graph matches with the vertices in the second graph. Edges in the first graph matches with the edges in the next graph. Count the same here. Now let's begin with the vertex A is isomorphic to vertex 1. Why vertex A is isomorphic to 1? Because the degree of A, degree कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं? The number of the edges incident on it. देखो कितने edges उससे अटैच हैं. उसका जो एडजेसेंट वर्टाइस है वो कितना है? 3 है. A का एडजेसेंट वर्टेक्स B, D और C. तो इसका डिग्री कितना हुआ? 3 A का. और 1 का डिग्री कितना हुआ? 1, 2, 3. Every node is every node have degree 3. A का डिग्री 3 है, B का डिग्री 3 है, D का डिग्री 3 है, C का डिग्री 3 है. सिमिलरली 1 का डिग्री 3 है, 2 का डिग्री 3 है, 3 का डिग्री 3 है और 4 का डिग्री भी 3 है. So we say that the two graphs are isomorphic because each node of one is isomorphic to the other node of the other graph. Okay, so this is the concept of isomorphism. Now we will see this graph. Tell me whether the two graphs are isomorphic or not. Draw this on your copy. Take a pen, draw it, and tell me whether the two graphs are isomorphic or not. Since 1 is isomorphic to A, because the degree of 1 is 2, degree of A is 2, degree of 2 is 2, it is isomorphic to D, the degree of D is 2, degree of 4 is 3, so it is isomorphic to E because the degree of E is also 3. Now let's see the degree of 3. Degree of 3 is 3, but यहाँ पर अभी कोई भी node ऐसा नहीं बचा जिसकी degree 3 होगी. So there is no node with the degree 3 which is left over here is isomorphic to this 3. So two graphs are not isomorphic. देखो यहाँ इसकी degree 1 है, 1 की degree का यहाँ कोई भी node नहीं है. So two graphs are not isomorphic. Now your assignment is to verify, to check whether the two graphs are isomorphic or not. Take a screenshot and write the solution in the on the WhatsApp group, why the two graphs are isomorphic or why the two graphs are not isomorphic. You have to write it, draw these two graphs on a paper, write the solution, and then say the two graphs are isomorphic or the two graphs are not isomorphic. And this is the second problem. You have to check whether these two graphs are isomorphic or not. With reason you have to write it down. आप डायग्राम बनाएंगे, इसको दोनों ग्राफ बनाएंगे और दोनों ग्राफ का सॉल्यूशन लिखेंगे. Okay. Now I am closing the session.